it's Miss Loftus, and today we're doing lesson 511, and this is comparing big numbers. When we compare big numbers, we want to compare the first two numbers we have. If we're looking at the number 5,310 and the number 5,392, we're going to, just like we put the words in ABC order, we're going to look at the first letter. A and A. How do you know which one comes first? We're going to go next door. P and M. Well, we know that M comes before P, so this one is going to come before this one. We're going to do the same thing with our numbers. If we're comparing these two numbers, we're going to start in the highest place value, which is the thousands, and we're going to look 5 or 5. If we're looking for the least, we're going to decide which number is least. These are the same, so we can't compare them. We're going to go next door. 3 and 3. We have the same problem. So we're going to keep going. 1 and 9, which one is the least? This number is going to be the least. That's how you find which one is greater and which one is less than. Now, if we're comparing more than two numbers, and you have to put them in order, we're going to do the exact same thing. So let's say we've got the number 2,112, 2,108, and 1,492. We're going to stack these numbers on top of each other. Actually, I'll make this 12,492. We're going to stack these numbers on top of each other. The first one I'm just going to write 2,112. Now I'm going to start stacking them by the ones place, and you'll see why in a minute. So I'm going to bring the 8 down. 8, 0, 1, 2. And then for my next number, 294, 294, 21. When you've done it like this, you see that I've got a gap here. I don't have any numbers in my 10,000s place in these two others, so I'm just going to fill them with zeros. And now I can compare them. So let's say I'm looking for greatest to least this time. Which one is the greatest? 0, 0, or 1? This number is going to be our greatest because it's got a 1 in the 10,000s place. So I've got 12,492 is my greatest. I'm going to get rid of it, and I'm going to keep going. Which one's my next greatest? 0 and 0 are the same, so we're going to go next door. 2 and 2 are the same, so we're going to go next door. 1 and 0. If I'm looking for my greatest, my 1 is going to be greater. So that's my next number. 2,112. And then the last guy I have left, I'm going to get rid of him because I used him, is 2,108. If you have any questions, ask me tomorrow. You can shoot me an email or a text on Wiki. See you then.